me Kia again. So as you read by the title, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I transformed my nail corner. The background you see in my videos where you see that nail shelf with all the polishes and everything, now I'm gonna jazz it up a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna just keep it really minimal, but yeah. So yeah, if you want to see something like that, then just keep on watching the video. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to show this shelf and everything now a lot more in my videos, and I got a lot more polishes with me which I really want to like put here on my shelf and like kind of give it like a transformation, like take some polishes out, put the new ones in. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. My mom dad gonna be joining me, that's for sure. And yeah, I guess this is enough of an intro. Let's just jump into the video now. Okay guys, so this is the current situation. I've cleaned my tabletop. Actually, I've given the tour of this like whole nail corner tour. If you have not seen it yet, you know the drill. It will be up in the cards, down in the description box below. Go check it out, okay? और पीछे शेल्फ है. अगेन जब मैंने इसको पहली बार अरेंज किया था उसका भी वीडियो है. अगेन इट विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, चेक इट आउट. बट अगेन हम सारी पॉलिशेस आज निकालने वाले हैं, इसको वापस से जमाने वाले हैं. साइड की वॉल्स पे भी कुछ कुछ करेंगे, मिनिमल रखेंगे पर कुछ करेंगे. और इस टेबल टॉप पे मैं एक चादर बिछाने वाली हूँ क्योंकि सारी पॉलिशेस मैं यही निकालूंगी एंड आई डोंट वांट देम टू ब्रेक बाय लाइक बैंगिंग इनटू ईच अदर. सो लेट्स गेट द चादर. सो गाइस, ये रही चादर और ये मैंने समझा मुश्किल रास्ते में था, बट ओके. और ये मैं अकेले नहीं करने वाली हूँ. अगर पिछला वीडियो देखा तो यू वुड नो कि पापा मेरे हेल्प करी थी एंड इस बार वो हेल्प करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स कॉल देम. नो एक्चुअली नॉट कॉल देम, लेट्स गेट देम. सो हियर वी आर. मॉम डैड ये लोग हेल्प करेंगे और एक्चुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द काम ये करेंगे. मैं तो उससे कि हाँ कॉमेडी करूँगी. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is emptying the shelf. ये सारी polishes हम हर टेबल पे लाएंगे. So let's do it. And how we do it is okay, I guess my power is just not enough. So we all three will do. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's more like it. So now let's rearrange them and see which polishes make it to my shelf this time. Okay, so if you have seen my last video ना जिसमें मैंने ये शेल्फ पहली बार जमाया था, तो you would know कि मेरे पास इतनी सारी polishes एक ब्रांड की नहीं थी कि पूरा पूरा शेल्फ भर जाए. So I've like merged 2 brands together. बट फॉर्चुनेटली दिस टाइम मेरे पास एटलीस्ट 3 ब्रांड्स ऐसे हैं जिनसे एक एक शेल्फ पूरा भर सकता है. सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि हम ना 3 शेल्फ में फर्स्ट 3 वो वाले ब्रांड्स जमाएंगे एंड देन वी विल सी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू लाइक विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द शेल्फ्स. सो जो पहला ब्रांड मेरे शेल्फ पे जा रहा है वो है जूस कॉस्मेटिक्स. नाउ गाइस, आई लव जूस कॉस्मेटिक्स. इनकी पॉलिशेस ना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर सो इनएक्सपेंसिव, प्लस दे हैव सच अ वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ फिनिशेस, टेक्सचर्स, कलर्स ना. सो या, इट इज वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट लव्ड ब्रांड्स. So yeah, I'm just putting these polishes there up on my shelf. And guys, look who has decided to join us finally. Yay, Laika made an appearance. She was downstairs abhi tak, but I guess she was missing Papa. So she came. See? Yay, lights. I guess she won't be in my hands for long. I should put her down. Okay guys, so juice is all done. I guess 2 polishes की जगह और है, but okay, I'll just go to my local store and buy more. that's not an issue. But now next brand, like, can you guess? Actually, if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know. Yes, it's gonna be Beyond. So let's start with the Beyond polishes now. I have around 4 or 5 collections, the whole collections of the brands. So I'm pretty sure like it will fill up the shelf for sure. Uh, if you follow me on my Instagram, I'll mention the handle somewhere. I'm currently like अभी आज के time पे ना I'm swatching their pearl collection. I don't know by the time this video goes out वो swatching पूरा हो गया होगा कि नहीं. But yeah, if you want to see the swatches, just go follow me on my Instagram. Okay, now enough blabbing. I should like get to one. Okay guys, so Biront is all done, and the next brand that's gonna go on my shelf is, yes, that's K Beauty, guys. I recently like got a chance to work with the brand, and they sent me the whole collection of 36 polishes now, and they're so beautiful. Like they're creme polishes now, so it's not like कि एक बार use करके छोड़ दिया. These polishes come in handy in every single manicure. तो इतना सारा shade variety है, और plus creme polishes. Like I love a good set of creme polishes. So yeah, since I have all 36, and I'm pretty sure 36 में तो पूरा shelf भर ही जाएगा. So that's the third brand that's gonna go on my shelf. So let's get started. Okay guys, a series. Actually, I'm planning a series with K Beauty की polishes. So I guess stay tuned for that. I'll start it like quite soon, as soon as I'm done planning the whole thing out. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that too, क्योंकि creme shades इतने प्यारे हैं ना. I just can't tell you. K Beauty polishes overflowing, they're not coming in much. So we are trying to adjust it with juice, क्योंकि juice में थोड़ी सी polishes कम हैं. दोनों के ना डब्बे almost एक जैसे ही हैं, मतलब पैकेजिंग एक जैसी, ना डब्बे बॉटल. तो जो 3 ब्रांड्स मेरे पास थे जिनकी पॉलिशेज आई टोल्ड यू कि पूरी आ जाएंगी, वो तो हो चुके हैं. नाउ आई एम गोना गो विथ 4 ब्रांड विच आई रियली लव. पर मेरे पास उसकी इतनी पॉलिशेज नहीं है कि पूरा शेल्फ भरे, बट आई रियली वॉन्ट देम डिस्प्लेड ऑन माई शेल्फ बिकॉज आई रियली लव द ब्रांड and the polishes. If you guessed it, then yes, you are right. I'm talking about Specta Cosmetics, guys. So let's start with Specta polishes. So yes guys, we're starting with Specta, and if you follow Specta, then Specta recently launched their matte collection. They have like 6 gorgeous shades in matte finish, and I'm just like waiting to get my hands on them so that I can swatch it for you guys. So like watch my Instagram space because swatches will be up there soon. And yeah, if you want to grab them yourself, then just go to their website. You can use my code which is flashing right now on the screen and get like 15% off. So yeah, just a little tidbit information out there for you guys. Now let's get back to it. Okay guys, so as I said, Specta तो मेरे पास पूरी नहीं है कि शेल्फ भर जाए टॉप वाला. सो आई एम प्लानिंग कि मैं वहाँ पे नायका रख देती हूँ, क्योंकि अगेन बॉटल शेप सेम है तो वो थोड़ा कोहेसिव सा दिखता है. Actually, what I'm planning is to remove like random polishes from the shelf. That's my aim. जिसके like 1-2 ही polishes है ना जिस brand की, I'm planning to like put them like inside drawers and bring out the polishes which I have like whole collections of. So the shelf will look all cohesive and everything. So let's see how far that plan goes and works out. If you watch my polish tag video now, you would know that I have lots of steak worky polishes. Like back in the day, I bought so many steak workies now, so I thought कि they should also be on my shelf because वो पूरा shelf भर देती है and they look really good on the shelf. So yeah, that's what we are doing now. So guys, change of plans. हम steak worky के polishes को bottom से एक ऊपर वाले shelf पे shift कर रहे हैं ताकि थोड़ी सी मिसलेनियस सी पॉलिशेस आ सकें. एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत सी पॉलिशेस वो हटा दी हैं जिनकी मेरे पास, जिस ब्रांड की मेरे पास 1 या 2 ही पॉलिशेस थी. सो या दैट्स अ बिग प्लस. द प्लान वर्कड. बट या स्टिल आई हैव टू कीप द लास्ट शेल्फ एज मिसलेनियस ओनली, क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई और ऐसा ब्रांड नहीं है जिसकी इतनी पॉलिशेस हों कि शेल्फ भर जाए. सो we'll keep working on it till the time हमारे पास सारे शेल्फ के लिए एक ब्रांड हो कि वो ब्रांड पूरा शेल्फ भर दे. So yeah, till then we'll keep working with what we have. Okay guys, so shelf is all done. Can you see how beautifully Dad has arranged everything? It looks so clean and everything. So just take a close up and do let me know in the comments which is your favorite row, color wise, brand wise, whatever. I love this K Beauty wali row na. The colors, the creams look so beautiful together na. This is my favorite row, and of course second favorite Viram, third favorite Juice. Let me know in the comments down below what's yours. Okay, so shelf is all done. Now it's time for the side walls. Let's see what we can do with those. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now it's time to decorate the walls. तो मीनवाइल पापा एक वॉल हैंगिंग लगाने वाले साइड में एक्चुअली नॉट वॉल हैंगिंग एज अ पोस्टर जैसा, इस पर फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में कुछ कुछ लिखा हुआ है जो मैंने पढ़ा तो नहीं है, बट सिंस दिस लुक्स रियली गुड और ये पूरे कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ अच्छा लगता है, तो ये मैं उस दीवार पे लगाऊंगी. एक्चुअली पापा उस दीवार पे लगाएंगे, पापा फ्रेम में आ जाएं तो हाँ, तो पापा उस दीवार पे लगाएंगे. और फिर इस दीवार पे क्या करना है वी आई टेल यू लेटर इन द वीडियो. सो मीनवाइल पापा इसको फिक्स कर रहे हैं. आई बिलीव मैं यहाँ से जो बची कुची पॉलिशेस हैं वो साफ़ कर दूँ, एंड या मैं अपने टेबल टॉप को वापस से पुराने जैसा बनाने की तैयारी कर रही हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके गाइस, तो पापा तो इज ऑल डन. ही वाज सो क्विक यार. और मम्मी और मैं तो यहाँ थोड़ी सी पॉलिशेस भी रख रहे हैं अंदर. एनीवेज, सो दिस साइड का ऑल डन. आई एम कीपिंग इट दिस मिनिमल ओनली, एज आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग ओनली ना कि आई एम गोना कीप इट रियली मिनिमम. I want all the focus on me in my videos, or if not me then just myself. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna do on this side, and for this side keep on watching. सब पैक हो चुका है यहाँ पे, एंड टाइम टू ब्रिंग इन द आई गेस हीरो ऑफ द शो फॉर दिस साइड ऑफ द वॉल, एंड दैट इज ये it's a fake tree sort of, but it looks so beautiful you guys. और ये पूरी ऐसी वाइब के साथ इतना सुंदर सा लगता है ना, सर जंगल जैसा. So we thought to keep it here, but that's not it. We gonna be decorating it, and we gonna be decorating it with some, please bring it in the frame, fairy lights. Yes guys, Papa is gonna wrap around fairy lights all over it, and I'll show you how it looks after switching all the lights off and just this one on. Can't wait to see. So yes guys, this is all done. This is how it looks, and yeah, I'll show you how it looks with like lights off in a minute. But before that, we'll just put the final touches. I'll just bring all the stuff of my tabletop back in its place, and yeah, I'll catch you after that. Okay guys, so सब कुछ अपनी जगह पे वापस आ चुका है, and this is how it looks. Mostly you're gonna see this background in my future videos. I'm really excited to shoot with this background. Yeah, I upgraded my lamps actually. हम लोग मार्केट गए थे तो पापा said कि अच्छे lamps ले लेते हैं, because I believe he saw my video and he saw me calling those lamps ugly. So he got me these two new lamps, and I'm really happy with these actually. They made my work like really easy. So now let's see how everything looks with all the lights switched off, just this one on. So 1 2 3. So yes guys, you can't see us, but this is how the ambience look like, and it's really beautiful here. I can see all my polishes now यहाँ shelf पे because of this light यहाँ पे इसके कारण. Okay, so this is how the ambience look like, and now I'll think we should just switch on the lights once again so that I can finish off this video. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So yes guys, this was the whole transformation video and mom dad ke saath. So I hope you liked it, and yes, if you liked it, do give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for new content because there's a lot more coming your way, and yes, of course, ring that bell to stay notified. And yeah, as I always say, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you. Just a minute. Be kind to the animals around you. Keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.